how to enable or disable Hey Google while driving in Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and you will see second option is Connected Devices. After click on Connected Devices, scroll down and click on Android Auto. After click on Android Auto, scroll down and click on Hey Google Detection. After click on Hey Google Drive Detection, you will see while recording is here. If you want to disable while recording, turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see while recording is disabled. If you want to enable while recording, turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see while recording is enabled. You will enable or disable while recording from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable or disable Hey Google while recording or while driving in Android Auto on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.